Have you got a problem with rats eating the cables on your cars? And I bet you there's a very big chance that it might be an Audi. Our theory on this is that a lot of the cabling insulation and the pipe work on there is made with soya content. So what can you do about it? Well, you could park your car somewhere else a long way away that there's no rats, but there's rats pretty much everywhere nowadays. So what you want to do, I mean, look at the damage that's done on this actually, Rick. So underneath here,
2 different goes, isn't it?
Yeah, 3.
3.
So let's chew through that one there, look. That pipe there. I dread to think if the owner had taken this to an Audi garage how much it would have cost, but this has cost him nearly £300 so far. And these were the diesel feeds, I think, wasn't they, Rick?
Yeah,
You're the car man.
For the injector.
So, right, and that was from underneath. That was this bit here, wasn't it?
Yeah, they've put that on as it was kind of a good idea, really.
Okay.
But there's a million more to choose from.
Absolutely. So what we're going to do, we've got this brilliant product, ANTI Rodent Spray. This is a big issue as well, not just on Audis, but on farms. So if you've got farm machinery, tractors, things like that, there's a choice you can make. You can either get big electronic pads that you can park your tractor on that will electrocute the rats, or get some rodent spray. You can get it in our shop. We'll put a link in the description, and if you're watching on mobile, you'll see it along the bottom as well. Let's get spraying then. So where are we going first? I think pretty much all the cables, isn't it? Yeah, all the cables. And this works for 6 months. Woo!
Oh Christ! As in fuse box, for example.
I mean, you imagine as well, those pipes there, they're the water pipes, aren't they?
Yeah, the coolant pipes.
So if it had chewed through, it's had to go there, isn't it?
No, it's just draw.
Oh, no, that's the writing on it, isn't it? And you imagine you've got a rat that chews through your precious Audi. This is a brand new one. And you imagine it's chewed a little hole in that and you tootle off down the motorway. Well, you can say goodbye to your engine usually, can't you? Because if you lose all the water, you've kind of had it. Well, this is the type as well, isn't it? That's the same kind of stuff. It's good that it gives you that 6 month protection. I dare say it would make a difference on how many miles you drive, maybe. There's another water cable, that one there. It's got quite good coverage as well, even from up the top here.
You could probably spray it from a far distance.
Yeah. There's some more. You can't actually get underneath these, can you?
No.
Can you see anything because there's a big floor pan underneath?
It's actually had a go at that as well. That's just some foam.
Oh yeah. Woo. So it doesn't actually kill the rats, but what it does, it just, I presume it makes things taste so disgusting that they won't touch it as soon as they get a taste of it. I'm going to spray a load in the floor pan as well, I think.
There's a bit there. Spray down on that rubber.
I've done all that down there, I think.
That there, that's it then.
Yeah. There's loads of other things we sell in our store now. You can get to it on our Shopify store, or you can get it from YouTube as well. Just click on our store button and you'll be taken right there. We do rat traps, black cat rat traps, rat valves, you name it, we do it. Mouse traps. And this is a brilliant new product that we're proud to endorse. So we're now on the BMW, and the mice or little rats have been in here as well. Look,
Looks more like rats, doesn't it? That.
can you see all the little footprints in the dust over the top of that, and then especially there, look. So we're going to do this one as well. So if you've got a BMW or an Audi, get some of this spray. If you're going down the DIY route, you're going to need flaps. There's only one flap that we use, the Pest Interceptors flap. Also, you're going to need traps. Don't be using things that aren't genuine. black cat rat traps and the blue bar rat trap from Pest Interceptors. Get on our shop.